Hey guys, Yogesh here from Utilize Your Business, and in this video I'm going to be talking about legendary marketer. What is legendary marketer? A lot of people have reached out to me after watching my YouTube videos on legendary marketer, their different products. They're still a little bit confused and they just want to know what exactly is legendary marketer. So hopefully this video will explain it, what is legendary marketer and how to get started. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back. So, like I was talking about, what exactly is Legendary Marketer? Basically, Legendary Marketer is a training program for people who wants to start their own business on online, or for people who have a business on online but they are not successful. So, it has a lot of different products which actually helps people to get to know what exactly they have to do to be successful as an online marketer. A lot of different techniques, a lot of different ideas, and a lot of different training. And one of the best thing about this is if you want to start with Legendary Marketer, they have an entry step that everybody has to go through. So when I started it, I actually went through their 15-day online challenge, which will really helps a person to find out more about what they want to do as a business owner on online. What exactly is it that they're passionate about? What exactly are their set skills are? And the really thing I liked about it is you actually have a one-on-one call with their business plan advisor who actually guides you and actually asks you a question, and these phone calls can last anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour or so, and gives you a plan where actually that if you what you should do in order for you to be successful. Now, on their day 4th or 5th is when it actually tells you about one of the legendary marketer product, which is Business Blueprint, which is the product which will really help you guys to have legendary marketer hold your hand and have you be successful in online marketer. The investment is pretty high. It's one of the higher end products, but you have 3 different options that you can choose and go ahead with it. Now, with further ado, this video is not about telling you what actually is in Business Blueprint and why you should invest it. That's your call, and what I really want you to do is, if you are interested, you should actually, like everybody else, starts with the 15-day online business challenge and go through the training, which really tells you if you are ready for online business and what exactly it takes to become successful. When I started, there was the only one way to start getting in the 15-day online business challenge. Now they have added a lot more products, and some of the products they've added it and they're giving out 15-day online business builder challenge as a bonus. So you're not invested in that, and these products that you are invested in to get started are a $2 or less than $2. Why don't we head over and actually tells you what are the 3 different ways you can actually get started with less than $2 and have a 15-day as your bonus, and see if this is what you want to do to become a successful. So this is my back end for the 15-day challenge that I was talking about. Now, I don't want to go through in depth about 15-day challenge. I did a video on it that you guys can watch it, and tells you in depth about day-to-day challenge and what to expect. Now, what I want to talk about is the other ways you can get started with legendary marketer, and which is less than $2. So the first way you can get started is with their insider ebook, and you can get 15-day challenge as a bonus. This is the sales page for the ebook. That is for $1.99. So once you get that, I just want to tell you, and on top of the ebook, you also get the 15-day online challenge as a bonus. So you're not paying that. So when I started it, the business challenge was $7 that you had to pay. Now you get that as a bonus. So for just an investment of $1.99, you get that. Now the second way you can do it is Legendary Marketer also came out with the Copyright Playbook for people who, myself included, are struggles with copywriting, what to write in the emails, if you are into the ads, what to write on the ads and all that. Now you can get this, and once you invest in this, you can get 15-day challenge as a bonus. Now the investment on this is $1. Yes, so for $1 you can get access to the Copyright Playbook, and you get 15 days as a bonus. Now, would you ask me? It's a pretty sweet deal. You can, you get the best of both worlds. You get a copyright and the copywriter that I actually invested in it. It's pretty good for the amount of money that you're investing in it, guys. You won't get wrong with it. So third way, the Legendary Market just came out about a couple of 2 weeks ago, is the 15-second free leads product. Which exactly it is for the helping out people who wants to go into TikTok and make videos for 15 seconds and get free traffic to their products, to their affiliate, to the promotion they're doing it as affiliate marketing, whatever it is. Now this product is pretty sweet. Now this is also less than $1. It's 99 cents, $1. So for $1 you can get this, and you also get 15-day challenge as a bonus. So those are the 3 ways that you can get going with the Legendary Marketer. Find out exactly what Legendary Marketer is, and my recommendation is start with any of them. For the ebook, if you're into affiliate marketing, the ebook $1.99, copywriting, if that's what you wanted to go through, which is $1, or if you want to get going on a TikTok, making video for 15 seconds to a minute, and getting leads to your offers or to your product. So those are the ways to do it. Don't worry, all the links will be below it. And guys, my recommendation is go ahead, pick one, and you won't be disappointed. And the Legendary Marketers training is top notch. All right, guys, if you're not subscribed to our channel, subscribe to it, like this video, so that and we'll come up with a new video every week so you get notified. Let's go.